In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep text in one cell in Google Sheets. If you have text that looks too long for a single cell and starts spilling into nearby cells, Google Sheets makes it easy to keep everything neatly contained. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to wrap the text so it stays inside one cell while still remaining visible and easy to read. To begin, open your Google Sheet. Make sure you're on the spreadsheet where the text is already entered and ready to be adjusted. This method is especially useful when you're working with long notes, descriptions, addresses, or any content that doesn't fit nicely in a narrow column. Once your sheet is open, click on the cell that contains the text you want to wrap. Selecting the correct cell is important because the formatting change will only apply to the cell you've chosen. If the text extends beyond the cell boundary, don't worry, that's exactly what this setting is designed to fix. After selecting the cell, highlight the text. This helps ensure you're focused on the content you want to format before making the change. Take a quick moment to confirm that you're working with the right entry, especially if your sheet contains several similar rows or columns. Next, move to the top menu and click on Format. This menu contains a variety of display and text options that control how information appears inside your spreadsheet. If you're new to Google Sheets, this is a useful menu to become familiar with because it can help improve both readability and organization. From the Format menu, click on Wrap. This tells Google Sheets to display the text on multiple lines within the same cell, instead of letting it overflow outside the cell. As soon as you apply it, the text should stay contained in that one cell, and the row height may automatically expand to fit the full content. That's it, your text is now kept inside a single cell in a much cleaner, more organized way. This is a simple formatting adjustment, but it can make a big difference when you want your spreadsheet to look professional and be easier to scan. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other cells that contain long text. Wrapping is especially helpful when you're sharing a sheet with others, since it keeps the layout tidy and makes sure no information appears cut off or misplaced. With just a few clicks, you can make your Google Sheet much easier to read